Yo, what better way to start the vlog with a new car? Let's get to it. Ooh-wee. Boy, she's looking clean already, huh? And feels good to be back vlogging, man. Like I said, it's been about 8 months, but it was well worth it. All right, let's get to it. Yeah, boy. So, a lot of explaining to do. Yes, I know it's been 8 months. 8 months since I posted a video on YouTube, but it was well worth it. Here we are. Alrighty, so we have here a 2017 Ford Mustang GT Premium Performance Package 1. It's got all the goodies, man. Brembo brakes, everything. I know it's been 8 months since I've posted anything. It's been a while, but I mean, a lot's happened in 8 months. New job. I got rid of the Focus, and here we are with the Mustang. What happened with the Focus? I love the Focus. It was great, but I just kind of stopped working on the car. I just knew that it wasn't gonna go too far. I knew that I was gonna get this car. I was actually supposed to get this car next year, but I ended up getting a good deal for the Focus and a good deal for the Mustang, so I couldn't say no, and here we are. A lot of plans for this car, yes. The only thing that I've done so far to it is a grill delete. We're probably hoping next year we're gonna start doing mods to this car. There's about 2 months left for this year, so we'll have more content for next year. But I'll try to see if I can post a couple more things. There's a Fastlane Friday coming up these next 2 months, so I'll probably see if I can go either next month or December. We'll get to see if we can get this car to run the track, just to see what it kind of feels like stock. But just giving you guys an update on what's going on with the Mustang. And here we are. So I'll see you guys on the next video.